The RIoT Receiver is a 4-channel remote control receiver, often used with our pro-industrial transmitters. Like all pro-industrial transmitters, the RIoT Receiver has LoRa spread spectrum technology, which the installer can use to achieve further operating distances, useful for penetrating through thicker walls or busy switching environments. This is achieved through setting both the transmitter and receiver to a higher mode of operation. As standard, transmitters and receivers are supplied in FSK. But if you wanted to change this on your RIoT receiver, operate the Mode button to cycle through the modes of operation. Using the LED bar graph, each LED represents a different mode. So LED 1 for FSK, 2 for LoRa Mode 1, right through to LED 8 for LoRa Mode 7. Say I wish to change the receiver from FSK to LoRa Mode 3, I select LED 4, for example. When a paired transmitter is also operating on the same mode of operation, in this case LoRa Mode 3, you'll see this operates my RIoT receiver on LoRa Mode 3, which will provide my system with an even more impressive operating range. To find out more on the RIoT receiver, view the RIoT Receiver video playlist on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.